With his name tied to billions in alleged insertions, Senate President Cheese Escudero is pushing back, saying every peso was audited. As Hannity reports, the Senate President is proposing full disclosure of budget amendments in Congress.
Wala talaga kayong ibinulsa or meron?
Wala. Kaya nga, gaya ng sinabi, gaya nga ng unang tanong kanina, ayan na naman kayo, tatanungin niyo ako ng ganyan tanong, tapos i-quote niyo ako ng base sa tanong ninyo. I think that's an unfair thing to do, quite frankly. If I have never had, no single case has ever been filed against me in my 27 years in government.
Senate President
Not only
Cheese
as a member
Escudero
of Congress,
insists
not
he
only
did
as a
not
member of the
pocket a
Senate,
single cent from the
also even as a
2025 national
governor of our
budget,
province.
saying all his projects in Sorsogon underwent proper audit and were requested by local government units. This after a document surfaced which has billions worth of Escudero's alleged insertions in the 2025 national budget. Despite being on a hot seat, Escudero is now pushing for transparency, starting with the Bicameral Conference Committee. And if the president himself is calling for reforms, the Senate must respond. The bicameral budget meetings often happen behind closed doors, and sessions are just Secretariat staff reconciling numbers from the House and the Senate versions.
When I was the Finance Committee Chair, binuksan namin yung BICAM. Wala namang nagpuntang media. In-announce nung nakaraan din.
The real deliberations, where items are inserted or removed, are not usually made public. To address that, Escudero will propose to Finance Chair Senator Win Gatchalian the release of a matrix showing which senator requested what amendments and in what amount.
Pero nagawa na rin dati yan, na pinanukalang amendment ng bawat isa ay ginawang open. Kaya nga mas gusto ko, di ba, lahat pinagdedebatihan sa plenaryo, imbis na sa caucus.
Escudero even urged cabinet secretaries to be equally transparent, saying if they request for additional funds or confidential budgets, those requests should also be made public. He says many budget changes originate from the executive branch, and sometimes they're only communicated directly to House and Senate leaders without formal announcements.
Yon, nagiging transparent din ba yon? Minsan, yung mga secretary makikipag-appointment na lang bigla, di ba? At hihilingin na lang sa isang senador.
And now a growing number of lawmakers from both houses want to put a stop to that. In the Senate, Senator Risa Ontiveros filed a joint resolution seeking to make all BICAM meetings public. The measure demands 3 key changes: live-streamed BICAM sessions, a detailed comparison matrix of the Senate and House versions of the budget, and public access to complete meeting minutes. The RESA was co-authored by other members of the minority and majority senators Kiko Pangilinan and Bam Aquino. A matching resolution was also filed at the House, led by Representatives Chel Jokno, Percy Sendanya, and more. Under the proposed reforms, open BICAM would mean more than just a ceremonial opening. It would mandate full disclosure on who added, deleted, or revised provisions in the final budget bill. The push to open BICAM has existed for at least 15 years, largely driven by minority lawmakers, budget watchdogs, and transparency advocates. But this is the first time there's a joint formal resolution from both House and the Senate to institutionalize a fully transparent BICAM process, making it significant. Who knows, after more than a decade of budget controversies, pork barrel insertions, and secrecy, this could finally be the beginning of a truly open BICAM process. Hannah Tia, Billionario News Channel.